Hi, I'm Mayor Bridget Donnell Newton, and on behalf of Council Members Ashton, Feinberg, Miles, and Pershela, I'd like to give you an update for the week of October 26th. I do understand how challenging, how frustrating, and yes, how boring it's become to follow the rules of COVID-19. And let's be honest, we're tired of dealing with this new normal. Unfortunately, it is our new normal. And unless we follow the guidelines, wearing a face mask, physical distancing, and frequent hand washing, we will not be able to move forward anytime soon. As you've heard this past weekend, the numbers are going up, not down. Yes, there's more testing, and in a minute I'll give you some information on where you can go to get tested. But the real problem is that we're getting careless. We're becoming complacent to the danger that contracting COVID-19 could be to our seniors and our most vulnerable. According to the Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services, Rockville's 20851 zip code had the highest number of average daily cases per 100,000 residents over the last 14 days. We are continuing to work with the Montgomery County Department of Health and Human Services to provide free COVID-19 testing in our city. This week, HHS is offering free drive-through testing on Thursday, October 29th, between 11 a.m. and 6 p.m. right here at City Hall in the lower parking lot. And next week, on Thursday, November 5th, the times are 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. HHS will again be offering free drive-through testing in the lower parking lot. The entrance will be on South Washington Street at the intersection with Maryland Avenue, and afterwards you'll exit onto Maryland Avenue at the light at Fleet Street. DHHS continues to provide pop-up free testing sites around our county. For a list, please go to mococovidtesting.org or call the testing hotline at 240-777-1755. And if you can't make it to one of the testing sites, some Rockville residents may be eligible for free at-home testing. Montgomery County's rapid response teams are conducting no-cost home visits for COVID-19 testing 7 days a week to improve access to testing and COVID-19 related medical care for Montgomery County residents who live in a geographic area highly impacted by COVID-19, are members of population groups disproportionately affected by COVID-19, are homebound or facing significant barriers to testing, or have complex or unique household situations in which home-based COVID-19 testing would be more effective than community COVID-19 testing. For more information, go to montgomerycountymd.gov/COVID-19/testing. With the rise in the number of positive COVID-19 tests in our city, it is incumbent upon each of us to make sure that we do our part. We've got to turn this around so that we protect those who are the most vulnerable, and we can all go back to enjoying the things we like to do. Remember, these simple practices will reduce the spread of the virus. Wear your face covering while in public. Maintain physical distancing of at least 6 feet between individuals. Refrain from gatherings of more than one person or household per 200 square feet, or a maximum of 50 people, whichever number is lower. And wash your hands or use hand sanitizer frequently. I know we've heard all this before, but following these best practices will help reduce the spread of COVID-19. And reducing the spread of the virus is a critical step towards moving our city and county into Phase 3 of Maryland's recovery plan. These continued to be difficult times for many of us, and with thanks to our community partners, there are several opportunities to pick up free groceries. Every Thursday, Mount Calvary Baptist Church at 608 North Horners Lane has a drive-through which opens at 5 p.m. And the Rockville Senior Center continues to support our senior community with weekly drop-offs. To contribute, please go to rockvillemd.gov and click on the button for Coronavirus Update. Finally, we've got a week to go in the most important election of our lifetime. As my father used to say to his congregation, your vote is your privilege, your responsibility, and it's yours. Election Day is Tuesday, November 3rd. In-person early voting in Montgomery County has begun, and we've had a safe and secure ballot box in the parking lot next to City Hall for weeks. It's available 24/7, and as I said before, it is safe and secure. Make your plan to vote by mail, in person, or by placing your ballot in the election drop box located next to City Hall. Rockville, it's your voice, your vote, and it matters. Stay well. Be kind. We will get through this together.